I'm here to show you how to remove and replace both lenses of your SPY general frames. First thing you're going to do is pull outward on the top portion of the frame and push downward on the lens, like so. Again, you're going to pull outward and push downward. The lenses should pop out fairly easily. Next step in replacing the lenses or reinstalling them is to take the far side of the lens and place it into the grooves on the far side of the frame. You slide it in and make sure that it's secure, and then once it's secure, you just push the rest in. There should be a pop. Again, far side of the lens into the far side of the frame. You just make sure it's secure and push the rest in. You may have to take 2 fingers underneath the lens and 1 finger on top to bend it slightly so you can get the other corners in. Like so.